Quite a hot topic at the moment is home improvements. 3 out of every 5 inquiries we're getting at the moment is from customers wanting to refinance their loan, borrow against their equity for home improvements. Rather than me trying to tell you how to do this best and how to use the best of your money or your budget, I've got one of my very good friends here, Bronwyn from Bronz Designs Consultancy, to give her top tips about home renovations and how to get the best from your money.
Look, design is always subjective, so personal taste definitely comes into play, and I think that, you know, especially for someone that's just moved into a home, that's more of a consideration
like
to someone who's
accustomed to them.
Yeah, that's right. If you're going to be living there, I'm a big believer in it's what makes your heart sing, and what are your tastes. You know, you probably want to take into account maybe what else is going on in the home. If we've got a lot of dark timber features and we want to lighten it off, maybe we want to light a carpet. If you've got pets and kids that are going to be making a mess, maybe we want something a little bit like mid-tone grey to darker, something with a little bit of texture in it that's going to sort of deflect any instant mess, just to give you that extra couple of weeks.
Of course.
But if you're, you know, if you're renovating to sell, then it could be a case of finding something that is probably not necessarily your taste, but something that's going to speak to the greater market. So you'd be looking at sort of more popular colours, and you could just go to your carpet supplier or a flooring supplier, and they'll be able to tell you what's hot and what's not at the moment.
I've been looking for it in the